A critical hearing is set to take place in a high-profile murder case. The judge overseeing the trial against Richard Allen, who's been accused of killing teenage girls Abby Williams and Libby German in 2017 in Delphi, Indiana, will address key issues pertaining to this very trial. NewsNation's Kelsey Kernstein joining us live from Fort Wayne, Indiana, where this hearing begins in just the next couple of hours. Good morning, Kelsey. Today's court proceedings could have major implications in this case.
Hey there, Hannah. Good morning. Yeah, it definitely could have major implications for the tone of the trial. This hearing is going to get started in just the next 30 minutes. What we can tell you is that the prosecution and the defense, they are going to argue before the judge today, and the defense is going to ask for a longer trial. The prosecution is going to ask for certain words to be banned during the jury selection process. And so what we can tell you is that trial, it is going to starting Monday. The jury selection process will, and then it's going to last all the way through the end of the month. However, the defense is arguing, they're saying that this is not enough time to ensure that their client gets a fair and just trial. The prosecution has a very extensive list of witnesses, 118, and the defense expects an additional 70 witnesses to testify. It will be very interesting today to see what the judge decides to do. As we know, there's been a lot of back and forth with this judge. We also expect the prosecution to argue why certain terms and names should be banned during the jury selection process. These terms, they include Odinism, cult, ritualistic killing, and certain names of people and witnesses in court documents throughout the investigation. Prosecutors claim that the defense could attempt to indoctrinate the jury with the use of these terms and names. And of course, we are going to be inside this hearing that starts in just the next 30 minutes. We have reached out to the prosecution and the defense for comment. We have not heard back.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.